Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a new lesson about writing equation in a standard form. Okay, how can we write equation in the standard form? Standard form you should write, it's like you rearrange the equation. The equation you got it from slope intercept form or from point slope, we can rearrange it in this form by making x and y in left side and constant in other side. But we have some conditions here. What is this? This is a should be positive integer. And what about b? This b should be integer, just integer. For example, positive integer like what? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Integer maybe positive, maybe negative. But what about 0? A and B not equal 0. Then we have three condition here. The first one is positive integer for A. B is also integer, but maybe positive, maybe negative. And A and B both shouldn't be 0. What about C? Nothing. Can be a fraction? Yes. C can be decimal? Yes. Can be 0? Yes. Then our problem here to make the coefficient or the number opposite x be positive integer and the number opposite y any integer. This means we can't write a and b like a fraction or decimal. Let's solve some questions. If you remember, this form is point slope form. He asks you to write it in standard form here, ax plus by equals c. Okay, first we should expand this by distribute 3 inside here. Y minus 11 equals 3 times x, 3x, 3 times negative 2, negative 6. The second step here, we should make x and y in left side. I need to move this x to from right side to left side. How? Remember this in equation. If you move any term from side to other, you change the sign. 3x here is positive. If you move it in left side here will be negative 3x. What about this y? This y positive or negative? Positive y. I can't write it like this. If I write negative 3xy, it means multiply. No, this is wrong. It's because this should be plus and minus. In this case, I should write it like this: positive or plus y. What about negative 11 here? This is constant. You should move it with another constant in right side. Then we should write negative 6 here, same, not a change. And negative 11, we put it in other side, positive 11. Okay, now negative 3x plus y here equal negative 6 and 11 will be positive 5. Now we finish for both x and y in left side. But check everything is okay or not. We said, where is the a here? A here should be the number opposite x. This represent a. What about b? The number opposite y, no number here, it means 1 will be b. Okay, is b is integer? Yes. Is a is positive integer? No. We need to cancel this negative. How can we cancel negative? Easy, by multiply by negative 1 in both sides. Negative, negative, like you multiply everything here and you multiply in right side also. Negative, negative will be positive 3x. Negative, positive will be negative 1y or negative y equal. Negative 1 times 5, it will be negative 5. Now check again. The coefficient or a for x is positive integer, correct. B for y is integer. Yes, negative 1 here. You can see this represent negative 1. And see anything, it's okay, then our standard form is correct. Another question, y minus 10 equal negative multiply x minus 2. This negative here, it means a negative 1. You can distribute this negative inside bracket first. Then we should write y minus 10 equal negative positive is negative x, negative negative is positive 2. In second step, we should collect x and y in left side. Y in left, it's okay with y, but our problem with x, I should move it to other side with different sign. Negative x here move to other side will be positive x. This y is positive, I write it same. What about negative 10? You should move it in right side, then equal. In right side here, we have 2, and this negative 10 move to right side will be positive 10. Now we have here x plus y equal 12. Now check everything, it's okay or not. Where is the a? A here is 1, the number opposite here. What about b? B is number opposite y is 1. A is positive integer, okay. B is integer, yes. Then our equation in standard form. More question. Y minus 6 equal 4 over 3 x minus 3. Just to multiply this is inside. Y minus 6 equal 4 over 3 multiply x will be 4 over 3 x. 4 over 3 multiply 3 will be 4, because 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 3 will be 4. The second step, put x in left side with y. Then I need to put it in, here is positive, I put it here is negative. Negative 4 over 3 x, this y positive y, and this negative 6, put it here, will be positive, because 6 here negative, you put it in other side will be positive. Now we have here negative 4. This negative 6 move here will be positive 6. Now negative 4 over 3x plus y equal negative 4 and 6 will be positive 2. Now check, where is the a here? A here is negative 4 over 3, but we said a should be positive integer. This is fraction. And also negative. We have two problem here. We should cancel this negative, and we should cancel 3 from denominator. How can we cancel this 3? By multiply by 3. How can we cancel negative? Make it by negative 3. Then I should multiply both sides by negative 3. Take care, when you multiply negative 3 with negative 4 over 3x, you should multiply with all right side, not only just x. Negative 3 multiply negative 4 over 3 will be 4x, because negative negative positive, and the 3 divide 3 will be 1. You have 4 left here. Negative 3 multiply y, it will be negative 3y equal negative 3 times 2, it will be negative 6. Check again. A is positive integer, yes, it's 4. B is negative 3 is integer number, yes. Then this in standard form, and xy in left side. More exercise. X over 3 plus y over 2 equal 7. How can we make it in standard form? First, I need to cancel x and y in left side. It's okay. But our problem here, we have fraction. We need to cancel 3, and we need to cancel 2. First, how can we cancel this 3? But multiply both sides by 3 by 3. But don't forget to multiply all left side. Like this, distribute. 3 multiply x over 3 will be x. 3 multiply y over 2 will be 3y over 2 equals 3 times 7 will be 21. Now x, it's okay. Its a is 1, positive integer. What about b? B here is 3 over 2. We need to make this is integer, not fraction. We need to cancel 2 from denominator. Then we need multiply by 2 here, and by 2 here, also all. 2 multiply x will be 2x. 2 multiply 3 over 2 will be 3y equal 2 times 21 will be 42. Now this in standard form. Now we finish our lesson today, and I hope you understand it well, and see you again in next lesson. Bye bye.